Now construction 11.5. Here to construct a triangle given its base and base angle and the difference of other two sides. Here two cases are there. First one is whatever the angle given, its adjacent side is greater than opposite side. So when that case it is given, so AB, see this one angle ABC is given, angle B is given, and AB minus AC is given. That means AB is greater. AB means the adjacent angle of B. So adjacent side of angle B. So that is greater. So in that case, how to draw the triangle? And in second case, it is opposite side will be greater than adjacent side. So how to draw that one? Two different drawings are there. Okay. So only two problems are there. So let us discuss that problems. First one, second problem. Construct a triangle ABC in which BC equal to 8 cm, angle B is equal to 45 and AB minus AC equal to 3.5. So let us draw a rough figure. One triangle ABC. Angle B is given there. So for this angle B, AC is the opposite side and AB is the adjacent side. So what is given there? AB minus AC. AB minus AC means which side will be greater? That AB will be greater. No, that means adjacent side is greater than opposite side. Okay. So when the case is like that, how to draw the triangle that we are going to do? That is a second question we are going to do. First one, BC equal to 8 cm you have to draw. So BC equal to 8 cm. BC equal to 8 cm. Now you have to construct angle 45. So for that, first you have to construct angle 90 and you have to draw the bisector of angle 90. So here 60, 120, then 90, then draw the bisector of angle 90. More than half of this one you have to take. So this one is 45. Now on that 45, let us draw this one equal to x. So BX and this angle is equal to 45 degree. Now on this BX you have to mark AB minus AC. AB minus AC, that is equal to 3.5. So 3.5 centimeter in your compass you take. So 3.5 you have to take, then mark that one. So this much is 3.5. Now join that, mark that one D, then join that to C. Join that to C. Now draw the perpendicular bisector of CD. More than half of CD you have to select. Now join that one. So when you draw the perpendicular bisector, that perpendicular bisector will touch this line at one point. Mark that one. So this is our A. Now join A to C. So ABC is the required triangle. So how we have done? That is ABC first we have drawn, then angle B we constructed, then on that BX we mark D, that is equal to AB minus AC, that is 3.5 centimeter. Then we draw the perpendicular bisector of that CD that will meet a point in this BX, that is A. Then join A to C. Now write that steps of construction. Draw BC equal to 8 centimeter. Then second one, construct angle B is equal to 45. Then third one, take BD equal to 3.5 centimeter, that is equal to AB minus AC. Then fourth one, join CD. Then fifth one, draw the perpendicular bisector of CD meeting the BX at A. Then sixth one, join AC. Last one, triangle ABC is the required triangle. So this is the first construction. Then second one is when opposite side is greater than adjacent side. So a question third one we have to do. Question third is construct a triangle PQR in which QR is equal to 6 centimeter, Q is equal to 60, then PR minus PQ, that is equal to 2 centimeter. Now look at this one. When you are drawing the rough figure, PQR, QR and angle Q is given. Then given at PR is minus PQ. That means PR is the greater side, which side it is, opposite side of angle Q, and this one is adjacent side. So when opposite side is greater, opposite side minus adjacent side is given, how to draw the triangle. So first QR, that is 6 centimeter, QR is equal to 6 centimeter. Now construct angle Q is equal to 60 degree. So this one is angle 60 degree. Now extend this one backwards. Okay, here also the same thing, downwards also. Now before this one we have drawn minus whatever the subtraction in this word, but here we are going to take in the downwards. What is it? You have to take 2 centimeter. You have to take 2 centimeter. So 2 centimeter from here you have to take. So 2 centimeter. Now join that D to R. Now draw the bisector of DR. More than half of this one you have to take. Join that to that. So it will meet at some point here. So that point is P. Now join that P to R. So PQR is the required triangle. So how to write the steps? Diti. First one, draw QR is equal to 6 centimeter. Then construct angle B is equal to 60. Extend B in angle Q. Angle Q is equal to 60. Then extend QX downwards. Then take QD equal to 2 centimeter. Join DR draw the perpendicular bisector of DR meeting or intersecting, you can write intersecting DX at P. Now seventh one, join PR. Eighth one, PQR is the required triangle.